In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers and footers in a Canva doc. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up consistent text or design elements at the top and bottom of every page in your document, so everything looks clean, professional, and easy to read. Let's start from inside Canva. Open the Canva homepage and head to your projects, or simply create a new document. What you're looking for specifically is a Canva doc, not a design like a presentation or a poster. If you're starting fresh, choose the document template option so you get a page-based layout that works well with headers and footers. Once your Canva doc is open, take a moment to look at the page. You'll see the main editing area in the center and tools along the left side. Before you add anything, think about what you want in your header and footer. Common examples include a title or company name in the header and a page number or website address in the footer. Now, to create a header, move your cursor to the top of the page. Click near the upper margin and add a text box. You can do this by choosing the text tool from the left panel, then selecting a style or a simple text option. Type the content you want to appear as your header, such as the document title. Adjust the font, size, alignment, and color so it matches the style of your document. It helps to keep headers simple and not too large, so they don't distract from the main content. Next, do the same for the footer area. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click close to the lower margin. Add another text box using the text tool. This is where you can put details like page numbers, a short copyright line, or a link. Again, format this text so it's clear but subtle. Footers are usually smaller than the main body text. If your document has multiple pages, you'll want these elements to repeat. Instead of recreating them every time, copy your header and footer text boxes and paste them onto the next page, positioning them in the same place. Repeat this for each page in your document. This gives you a consistent look throughout. Finally, review your document from top to bottom to make sure everything is lined up, readable, and not overlapping your main content. When you're happy with it, you can download or share your Canva doc, confident that your headers and footers are properly set up.